Welcome to our Hotel Tips channel. This is Fernandez speaking, and today I'm going to talk about the Bungalows Key Largo all-inclusive resort located in Key Largo. With such an inviting climate, it is impossible not to want to simply take a dip and enjoy the crystal clear waters of the first island in the archipelago called the Florida Keys. The Overseas Highway, US 1 is the only street on the island, which crosses its entire length. Many people, when they only see this street, think that there is no attraction. But just enter a hotel or restaurant and another world opens up, and the sea is just a few steps away. But before talking about this wonderful resort, like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all the news here on the channel. The resort link is in the video description. Just click and you will be directed to Booking, the best booking site in the world and where we made all our reservations. So now let's find out the best place for you to stay in Key Largo. Situated in Key Largo, this adults-only 21+ resort offers luxurious bungalows with private outdoor balconies, private beach, daily yoga, 4 restaurants, 2 outdoor pools and hot tub, full spa and on-site fitness center. You will enjoy unlimited breakfast, lunch and dinner, as well as premium drinks during your stay from several restaurants and bars. Non-motorized water sports such as stand-up paddleboarding and kayaking can also be enjoyed at Bungalows Key Largo, all-inclusive. Spacious bungalows offer private balconies with large soaking tubs, outdoor showers, and outdoor seating. Additional amenities include a 60-inch smart TV, Keurig coffee maker, microwave, and mini fridge. What's included? All meals, including snacks and fine dining. Welcome drinks and refreshments, unlimited meals at 5 restaurants, poolside and beachfront meals and drinks, premium alcoholic beverages, and select wines. The resort does not accept pets. The guest rating on the booking website is 9.0, which is considered fantastic. And the daily rate starts at USD $10.99 plus taxes and fees. John Pennekamp State Park is 6 kilometers from Bungalows Key Largo, all-inclusive. The nearest airport is Miami International Airport, 80 kilometers away. Tell me what you think of this little piece of paradise. I will be very happy to interact with you. I hope you like the tip, and if you haven't liked the video yet, like it now, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all the news here on the channel. A hug and see you next.